Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, in last class we have completed till here the introduction part of the conjunctions in studio page number 62. Right, now open your studio page number 63, children. See here, read aloud the sentence Ajay wants to eat a pizza or a burger. Now read along with me this sentence, children. Ajay wants to eat a pizza or a burger. Does this mean that Ajay will eat both the pizza and the burger? Tick your response. Tell me that Ajay want to eat both pizza and burger or only one from these two. రెండు తినేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాడా లేదా రెండు ఆటల్లో నుంచి ఒక్కటే తినాలనుకుంటున్నాడా? ఎస్, ఓన్లీ one he want to eat. That means he wants to eat pizza or a burger. Or okay, that means not both, but he want to eat only one. That means your response is no, he don't want to eat both, only one. Now see, children, down. The sentence given above indicates that Ajay may eat either a burger or a pizza, not both. Isn't it? Either a pizza he will eat or a burger. రెండాట్లో ఒకటి పిజ్జా తినొచ్చు లేదంటే బర్గర్ తినొచ్చు, కానీ రెండు తినడు. Here Ajay has the option of eating the burger or the pizza. Isn't it? That means he is having option to eat the burger or a pizza. For example, see here, Sheila or Sana can come to my house to study with me. That means both will come? No, Sheila will come, otherwise Sana will come. That means here or we are using, not and. If you are using and పెడితే Sheila and Sana అంటే ఇద్దరు వస్తారు. Or means అయితే ఒకరు వస్తారు లేదంటే ఇంకొకరు వస్తారు, బట్ both they will not come. Here see, children, Rohan can go to the beach this evening. He can go to the theater this evening. Now by how we will add this? See, Rohan will not go both places, isn't it? ఒకే ప్లేస్లో ఒకే టైంలో టూ ప్లేసెస్కి వెళ్ళాడు కదా రోహన్. అయితే బీచ్కి వెళ్ళాలి లేదంటే థియేటర్కి వెళ్ళాలి, రెండు ఒకే టైంలో వెళ్ళలేడు. సో దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ అండ్ యూస్ చేయాలా? అండ్ యూస్ చేయడం అంటే రెండింటిని కలిపి రాస్తాం. ఆర్ మీన్స్ వాట్? సి, రోహన్ కెన్ గో టు ద బీచ్ ఆర్ టు ద థియేటర్ దిస్ ఈవినింగ్. దట్ మీన్స్ హీ మే గో టు బీచ్ ఆర్ దట్ మీన్స్ అదర్వైజ్ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళకపోతే థియేటర్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అంటే ఒక్క టైంలో ఆ టైంలో ఏదో ఒక్క ప్లేస్కి మాత్రమే వెళ్ళగలడు. ఓకే, నౌ సీ, అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ దట్ we combine the two sentences using or. We are combining the two sentences by using or to show that Rohan has a choice. He can go to the beach or the theater. That means this one we are giving the option. Option means ఒక చాయిస్ ఉందన్నమాట, అయితే అక్కడికి లేదంటే వేరే ప్లేస్, లైక్ దట్. See here, the conjunction or indicates a choice between two options. That means it is a choice between two options, children. See here, here is a table with examples on how to use the two conjunctions. Two conjunctions means what? First this one is second conjunction, or we have learned before that we have learned about and conjunction. They are giving some examples on both conjunctions. Write one sentence with and one sentence with or in the space provided. You have to see the examples they have given and you have to write one sentence on each conjunction. Okay, children, turn your pages, page number 64. See here what it's there, and or. Now see the difference also, children. Okay, difference kuda chudali. Ram and Shyam are going to school. That means one is going. No, both of them are going. Here, the dog or the cat is under the table. Table kinda evarunaru? Dog undi ledante cat undi, not both. Okay, next, we went to the park and played football. That means we went to the park. Mem akkadiki velli aadukunnamu. Here, should we go to the park or the theater? Okay, or that means here option. And next, Atili sat on table and ate her breakfast. They are planning to visit Ooty or Shimla for the holidays. See here, you can see the different children. Here to add we are using and here for option, if we are having a choice, we will use or conjunction. Now write children two examples. Okay, I will help you. My mother and I went to market. Okay, my mother and I went to market. That means only one go? No, I went to market, okay, along with my mother. My mother and I went to market. Now next one, we have to use or. Okay, here we used and here what we have to use? Or. That means, what do you want? What do you want? Tea or coffee? See, that means what do you want? Tea or coffee? From both you are having a choice to choose. Okay, like this you have to write children. Okay, now next, ask questions to know more about your classmate. Companion 4B. Open your companion, everyone. Companion, page number 27. 4B. See children, this is your homework. Okay. Okay, this is your homework children. That means see 4B. I will explain this question children. Know your classmate better. Team up with your classmate. Talk to him or her about somebody you like. It could be anybody from your family or your best friend at school. That means we are having option here. That means you can take your classmate or your best friend or one person from your family. Now you all are at home, no? You can choose any one person from your family. Now see, talk about the things you share in common with that person and also about how different you are. Ask your partner questions to know more about his or her likes and dislikes. That means what you have to do? You have to talk with that person and whatever you shares all the time you have to discuss with that person and how you are different from that person. That means see, he may do something and you may do another. Like that you have to show the different. Okay, and next, ask your partner questions. You know something, only few you will know. You may know only few things about your partner. You have to ask more questions to know more about them. Okay, see for example, here it's giving my best friend Sandhya and I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? This is a question because we are using here the question structure and also with the question mark. Next one, I like playing chess or cricket with my friends. That means I like to play chess or a cricket. What game do you like to play? Okay, like that questions you have to ask. Remember to use conjunctions in your sentences and questions. That means what you have to do? మనం నేర్చుకున్న కంజంక్షన్స్ని మన సెంటెన్సెస్లో యూజ్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ద కంజంక్షన్స్ వి లర్న్ చిల్డ్రన్, టెల్ మీ. or, that means if you are having a choice we have to use or and a and d and to join two sentences or two words we will use, and both these two we have to use in this sentences or questions. Next, write at least two questions that you asked your partner and his or her responses to them. దట్ మీన్స్ సి యూ మే ఆస్క్ మెనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ టు యువర్ పార్ట్నర్. ఓకే, మీరు చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగొచ్చు, వాళ్ళతో ఇంకా ఎక్కువ టాపిక్స్ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ దోస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ అట్లీస్ట్ two questions. Okay, what the question you asked your partner and what the answer they given, like the two questions. ఓకే, మీరు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్లో రాయాలి, వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ రాయాలి. రిమెంబర్ టు యూస్ అండ్ ఆర్. ఓకే, అండ్ కానీ ఆర్ కానీ కంజంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ రాయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ హోంవర్క్ అండ్ వన్స్ రివైజ్ దిస్ కంజంక్షన్స్ ఇన్ స్టూడియో ఆల్సో. Okay, this is about today's English class, children. Hope you all are understood with this class. Okay, do the homework and send to me in WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.